For example 1, our goal is to isolate the trig function, and we know we want to do that because there is only one trig function in the entire equation. So just as if I were solving an equation, I need to move the 1 to the other side by the inverse operation, divide by square root of 2, and sine of x equals 1 over root 2. Now 1 divided by square root of 2 is not on the unit circle, but I need to rationalize the denominator. So now I have sine of x equals square root of 2 over 2. Hopefully you should realize that we do have y values of square root of 2 on our unit circle. And if I were to solve this, I would get x equals, so again we're looking for values, so sine of what angle equals root 2 over 2. And when I solve this, I would get 45 and 135 degrees. However, the directions ask for the principal values of x. So if you recall from chapter 6, sine values, the principal values of sine, are in quadrants 1 and 4. So I need to cross out 135, and my only answer in this type of problem when it asks for the principal values of x is 45 degrees. So now what I'd like you to do is try the problem on the right by yourself, pause the video, work the problem, and unpause it to check your answer. To isolate cosine on the problem on the right, we need to subtract cosine. You should realize there is a coefficient of 1 in front of the cosine, so that's why I get 2 cosine of x minus 2. You work it down and you isolate to cosine of x equals 1. Please remember we're looking for the principal values of cosine, which is located in quadrants 1 and 2. So to make this statement true, cosine of 0 degrees equals 1.